plugging. Well guys, it's been a while since I made a video. Once I started playing in the dirt for my job, it's just been chaos. Go, go, go. So I haven't been able to put much out. So I hope you had a great May. And June's right around the corner because this is the last Saturday in May, I believe. Yeah, today's the 30th, so Monday is June. Wow, man, time's flying. Anyway, going out to the farm today to start cutting hay. I'm gonna cut alfalfa today, about 10 acres worth. So I'm on my way out there. Then hope you guys stick around because we'll get you some footage of making some hay, or at least the first step of it anyway. So I'll be back to you in a minute and let's see what kind of fun we have today. Well, here we are on the field. I'd say about halfway done with this little piece already. This is only like 3 acres. Cutting hay with a Holland 480 hay vine. Driving a Ford 7700 tractor. We're getting after it. Bump. Some of the alfalfa's tall enough. The funny thing is, I haven't really seen any buds on it while I'm cutting here, but I guess I'll actually maybe stop and get out and actually check it. But it's tall enough. We're almost out of hay. We only got like maybe 5 round bales left, I think Dad said. So we need a hay, so we gotta cut. So sit back and put the camera out so you guys can watch. One of the things that fucking gotta watch out for when you're cutting hay is plugging. Trying to see what the hell I'm doing. This is what happens usually when you're going too fast. You're not quite paying attention. So when you get a phone call, there. All right, onward. Right there, the short rows I got cut already. Then on the other side of them trees is another field I have to cut yet. I'll take some more video when I get over there. I'll cut the back side, so we're just going down to this field and we'll move over to the other one. So I moved to the second field and now we're opening things up. So right now I'm making my own path here, opening it up. Going on back here. This swat here I'll come back and cut at the end like I did the other one. So I'm going to make 6 rounds around the field, then go back and forth. So I'm going to make 6 rounds around the field, then I'll go back and forth. mostly dandelions and it's pretty thin. That looks terrible.
Back there you can see there's a bare spot. I don't know if it's flooding or what.
So, do this need some fertilizer? Or, hang on, let me turn the corner. So, it's either needs some fertilizer or it needs to be plowed under, one of the two. So, well, I'll keep cutting for a while. Listening to the latest podcast from the Off the Husk podcast from Millennial Farmer. And I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. Hopefully I remember to set the camera up. We can get some outside the tractor shots. So stick around. Thanks for watching it. Give me a thumbs up if you like this, and don't forget to leave me